As we discussed, so it's interview time like 35 minutes, and definitely it's some team meetings. And what I mentioned skills on the resume, definitely they will ask you. Like I mentioned over there as a ASP.NET, C Sharp, SQL Server, Web API, Angular JS, Angular, and so on. So they discuss each and every skills with you. I am mentioning before proceeding with the interview, they mail you and they say that we have required skills like they have good exposure, good experience in C sharp, or like they want as a SQL server, MVC, entity framework, JavaScript, jQuery, and so on. What exactly matches with your resume? Okay. So before started interview, actually. They ask you like apart from your project, so which area you have focused more and more as per your experience. So definitely, you can say that as a design pattern or project architecture. And so during that 30 to 35 minutes of interview, definitely they focuses on most of the areas like what I mentioned here. So for first 10 minutes, actually they focus on my project architecture. So which type of project you have done? So how was the project architecture and how you mention its layer? So whether it is entire or you can say that microservices like that one. Again, if my resume says that I use as a front end as an Angular JS, definitely they will ask you more questions on that one. So in first 10 minutes, they ask me what is project type, what you mention over there, and how Angular JS you use, what is the advantage of that one, like this were type of questions in for first 10 minutes. So a latter 10 minutes, definitely they go each and every parts, as you know, they focuses more on the oops, so they focuses oops, and later on they comes to the MVC. Again they definitely they will ask if you have request, how it going to proceed, and how you are tackling with if any exception is occurred over there. So I explain over there also. So second thing is on last 15 minutes, definitely they are going to check your knowledge in a design pattern. So how you use your web API, definitely they cross question with the WCF. So is web API is a replacement of WCF? No, it's not replacement, so you have to explain why. Again, how you use dependency injection and what is the advantages of using this one, and what is the disadvantage of this using the dependency. So as I explained over there, so what according to me I read out or what I learned. So guys, whenever we look most of the interview we feel that, oh, so it's not much that much good. So definitely we don't have to worry, because someone says that business opportunities are like buses, there is always another one coming. Now, and I observed that their interview flows. So what I'm sharing with you guys, like in first, I already discussed with like introduction. So they introduce like self introduction, project description, or rather they move to the technical like. So according to your CV, we have observed this one. We have worked on front end. We have used back end for web service. What we have used. They mention and they discuss each and everything like that one. Again they are again focusing on the design pattern, so I mainly explain them. So I have knowledge about factory design pattern, singleton design pattern, and repository pattern. So I explain one by one with them, and it looks like they are happy. So again they are moved to the in your project, uh, how you used dependency injection and where to use, and can you explain with some of code. So I explained that also. Again, whenever we move to the web API, definitely there's a questions about web API as well as entity framework. So is entity framework why you use, and is there any mapper you have used, that type of questions in a web API, how it's actually work whenever you get any request, so how it will serve that. Again, I can say that whenever we move to the entity framework, at that time, definitely our question come arise like code first approach. Why you use code first approach, or why you use DB first approach? So that type of questions. So you should be prepared for that one. So whenever you use your project, so which may be code first or DB first, so you have to take care of this point like what is code first approach, what is database first approach, why you choose it. Then is there any advantages is of it, how you any facing disadvantages of it, like that. Other than my skill, I observed that they are again enthusiastic, what you say that they are really what you can say interested in asking another thing also like Microsoft Azure. So I mentioned definitely I have good knowledge of Azure, but I didn't get any chance to work on that one. So they say that okay, don't worry. And again RPA, so it's a robotic process automation. Actually I got chance to work on the RPA for the 3 months. I explained frankly with them, so I don't have that much of experience what you are expecting from me, but I did this one. So again, she cross question to me. So how you use, what you are facing issues, in which area you like that, you might be facing some issues, that things happen. And again, I mentioned ERP. So again, they find out some questions from my resume and ask me regarding ERP. So this type of question definitely they will ask from your resume. So guys, please prepare for first your resume. So I can say that overall experience was good. Definitely, feedback is good.